Hey you guys, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. You guys, this lip gloss is so bomb. It's a mauve lip gloss it's a chameleon mauve lip gloss with blue, pink, and green effects. You guys, when I tell you I could not wait to record this, as soon as I got it in the mail, I was like, I cannot wait to test this pigment out in a gloss. I decided to name it Bal Harbour, and the way that it looks paired with a liner, so amazing. It'll even stand well as on its own, but I decided to pair it with a matte lipstick called Aurora that I have on my website. And you guys, I love the way this color came out. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
For the full recipe to today's video, you guys, you can go over to my Patreon for a small pledge a month. You'll have access to this recipe and all of my archive recipes. So many goodies over there. Patreon membership discounts and so much more. Can't wait to see you there. I'm starting off with my Versagel and my Hydrogenated Polyisobutene to my bowl. I'm just gonna pour that HP right over that Versagel, and I'm gonna give this a good mix. So for the base of this gloss, and so that I could give it a little more opaqueness, I'm going to go in with a LC that we made together on Patreon. This is the beautiful mauve color, and I'm showing you guys that I'm only adding in a drop of it because that's all I need for this base, as the pigment is going to be the star of the show. But I did want to go in with a little bit of liquid concentrate just to give it a nice base, just so that it wouldn't be as sheer when using the chameleon pigment alone. I'm going in to correct the texture with some more hydrogenated polyisobutene, and I'm just gonna mix that in until the texture is to my liking.
I did tell myself that we could be more than just friends. I know you think that we moved too soon. It would all end. I live in misery when you're not around, and I won't be satisfied till we're taking those vows. There'll be some love.
I decided to go in with just a little bit more of the hydrogenated polyisobutene just to get a little more stretch on the gloss. It was a little too thick for me, so I wanted to make it a little thinner but not too thin, so that I can have a nice application when applying it on my lips.
Heartbreaking, soul shaking, love making, heartbreaking, soul shaking. What's it gonna be? I can't say no. Do you wanna be? You want to pray. When I didn't let go, don't let go. Have the right to lose control. Don't let go.
So now that we have the base of our gloss done, it's time to go in and add in the pigment. I'm using the Mauve Blue Green Brilliant Color Shift Chameleon pigment from Just Pigments. This is a new pigment that they have, and I love the chameleon effect. I love how the color shifts depending on how you position your lips. And you guys, I was so excited to choose this pigment and create this gloss. So I'm just going to pour that right on into the gloss and mix it in, and just like that, we're done.
I often fantasize the stars above our trail. They know my heart speak to you like only lovers do. If
guys, here I am just applying Aurora. I'm going to use this to line my lips. This is a matte lipstick, a part of my lipstick line. I do have the video for Aurora, so be sure to check it out. I'm just lining my lips, and I'm gonna also kind of like corner the line. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but just kind of like bring the corners of the lip liner into the center, kind of like drag it a little bit. And then I'm going to be adding Bal Harbour right to the very center of my lips only. I love the way that this came out, you guys. It is really giving me the 90s vibes, 90s feels. And I do believe that Bal Harbour will be beautiful on its own. I just wanted to give it a little pop, you guys. I wish I would have got a little clip of Bal Harbour on its own. But you guys, this is the way that she came out. I love, love, love the chameleon effect, and I love the way this color looks on my skin. I'm going to be pulling that out all summer long with a liner. I don't know, the lip combos are in, and I'm here for it. I love the way it came out. You guys, if you want to purchase this color, Bal Harbour is available on my website in wholesale and retail sizes at veryveelobeauty.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and allowing me always to share my gift with you. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, bye.